Hi folks, Bruce Prince here, Vice President of Sales for ProCut International, Myers Tire Supply's exclusive provider of brake service equipment. We're here at the 2023 vendor fair. It's been a fantastic time meeting and greeting people. There's a lot of excitement in the room. We're pretty much known for brake lathes. That's what we do at ProCut. We've got our B17 bench lathe, which has been wildly popular in the marketplace. Generally, it does what a bench lathe does. And then of course, I've got our on-car lathe here. This is our rotor matching system. Essentially, it bolts up to the car, and in about 10 minutes or less, you've got a perfectly matched rotor. It eliminates pulsation altogether. And the best part is we've got our sales team partnered with the Myers team. We work together and we can demonstrate this thing in the field. Anyway, it's exciting to be here, and we certainly hope that you get in touch with us to learn more about our equipment.